Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix this error. It is very simple. Just follow my steps. If you find this guide useful, leave me a like and subscribe. Thank you. The first step is to click here and search for Run. Here, you will search for ncpa.cpl. Well, here, you will right-click on your internet. Properties. Click on Internet Protocol version 4, then Properties. Now click here, and here at the bottom you will put the following. Okay, now close this. Go to Chrome, and up here look for the following. Click Reset All. Relaunch. Well, now click on the Windows search engine and search for CMD. Run as administrator. Here you will copy and paste all the commands that I will leave in the description. Simply copy, paste, and press Enter, and repeat this until the last one. Once finished, we will restart the PC. And that would be all. If the video helped you, leave me a like. If not, leave me a comment. Thanks.